Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine and we are doing alternate number 5 using the elements from the paper pumpkin kit for August 2024 called Time for Cake. So I'm going to use the balloons in this one. I've used the happy birthday greeting from the Best Family Ever set. I'm looking for something a little fun and whimsical, and this is it. And I think you are going to really, really love this one. So we're going to take our little balloon, the one with the little flowers on it, and we're going to stamp all around like this. And if you look at it like this, it's a butterfly, but we're going to continue stamping around and we are going to make a flower. And we are going to continue to do that all over the front of this card. And it's easiest if you kind of make a bow like that and then start filling in, making sure that your kind of the tie of your balloon is right in the middle, and then it creates the flower center for you. So there we go. And I'm leaving some space because we're going to use the smaller balloon to make the leaves. I tried using the number 1 to make a stem, but I thought it was just a bit too heavy. So we're not doing that. You can absolutely feel free to do that. You can also do this in whatever color you like. It would be really cute for a child's card if you needed one. If you did it in all different colors, not just the bubble gum or bubble bath. I always call it bubble gum. I am sorry, it is bubble bath. So just keep on turning this around. Sorry, the light shines on my block when I'm putting this, so these aren't as straight as I would like them to be, but I'm sure that you get the idea that you can use the balloons to make flowers. And I'm just going to come in and do just a couple kind of petals off to the side and a couple more over here, just like that. Okay. We can always fill more in later if we wanted to. You could make this smaller and mat it out if you wanted to. Now we're going to take the smaller of the balloons with the lines on it and the soft sea foam, and we're just going to come in and we're going to make leaves. I'm just going to stamp them around. You could use this and make a smaller flower if you wanted to. Whatever you like. Sorry, I'm out of frame again. I apologize. I'm just going to keep turning this around, adding leaves in. I've just got this paper here in case I'm stamping off the edge of my page so that I don't end up with ink on my counter, which translates to ink on my hands, which translates to ink everywhere. So I'm just going to double that one up again. There we go. And let's pop in a leaf here. And I'm just trying to fill in edges so that I've got good coverage everywhere. I'm going to pop another leaf in like that. There we go. And I'm going to pop in with another couple of petals just down in the bottom here because it's a little bit empty right here. So we'll just do this like that. There we go. All right. And I'm going to come in and just do just a hint of green leaf just like that. So if you did this as a one sheet wonder and took a whole 8.5 by 11 sheet and did this, then you could absolutely cut it up and you wouldn't have gaps like that, or you could just fill them in later. I'm going to layer this straight down onto a bubble bath card base. You could mat it if you did a second color in the flowers, say you did fresh freesia instead of the leaves and just did little flowers, you could double mat it. But I was so excited about this when I started looking, what can I do that's a little bit different, that, you know, isn't the same thing that everybody else is doing. And so yeah, I was really pleased when I started playing. I really like these as the butterfly. Like I say, this one I put the number 1 on it, but if you do 2 balloons kind of next to each other and then just stamp a little bit higher so the bottom looks a little bit smaller, it makes a perfect butterfly. So that's my exciting find, and I hope you're as excited about it as I am, because I'm really excited about it. And I'm just going to pop this down. I've got a bit of a blank space there, so and I just need to make that straight. Still looks a little crooked. Okay, come on, just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so now let's see what we've got for bling. I have pretty much used up every piece of pink bling that I've got. So let's see if I have any left at all. You know what? I think I've got 1 of the bubble bath on there, and I've got 1 bubble bath on this one. So we are going to officially use up all of the bubble bath bling. And we're going to pop 1. Say, let's put 1 right there, and let's put the other one just over here like this. Just to add that little bit of interest if you've got more bling, or if you've got bling that matches your pieces better. But yep, I am just thrilled with this one. Again, the greeting is from Best Family Ever, and we're just using those balloons to make flowers. So thank you so much for watching, and I've got 1 more alternate coming for you tomorrow.